Ndi be ai, Igbo Kwenu. Kwenu. Kwezuonu o. Igbo Community Wales proudly presents Iri Festival 2025, the true celebration of Igbo culture and harvest. Date, Sunday, August 24, 2025. Time, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Venue, St. Catherine's Church Hall and Outdoor Grounds. Kings Road, Pontcana, Cardiff, CF119D.
Come one, come all. Let us gather in unity and joy as we honor the blessing of the new yam season. Expect traditional music and dancing, mouth-watering local Igbo dishes, fun games and cultural competitions, bouncy castles and laughter for our precious kids.
Let it be known, Igbo Community Wales remains the true and united umbrella for Igbo in Wales. Any other group is not our voice, but merely personal interest.
Join us for a day of pride, heritage, and celebration. Let us raise the banner of unity, Udo, Jikota, no Oganoyo. Iri Festival 2025, a time of culture and traditional rehearsal, a time of phenomenal moment of our heritage and togetherness for our generation. Don't miss it. Stay tuned for updates in Igbo Community Wales.